Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a very important session. Please watch till the end, you will be benefited a lot. Yes, we are going to talk on pronunciation. Yes, once again you pronounce it. See, when it is Pronounce, it is pronounce. But the moment it is noun, this is pronunciation नहीं होता है ना. This is pronunciation. So we are going to discuss. I'm going to give you tips for better pronunciation. Like generally people pronounce it sympathy. लोगों के लिए सिंपैथी होनी चाहिए. I have sympathy for the people. Wrong. I have sympathy. It is pathy. Pathy नहीं होता है. Sympathy for the people. 99% people say homeopathy. It's not homeopathy, homeopathy. Right? This is homeopathy, not pathy. Right? Now, even geography teachers also pronounce it geography. It is not geography. It is geography. Graphy. Geography. Even those who click the photos, they pronounce it photography. It is not photography, it is photography. Pronounce it photography. Photography. I repeat, photography. Photography. Yeah, we often hear the word there is democracy in India. We cannot say democracy in India. This is democracy. क्रेसी नहीं होता. The word ending with CRACY, क्रासी. जैसे GRAPHY ग्राफी, right? PATHY पथी. Same way CRACY क्रासी, not crazy. So democracy, autocracy, right? Now, this one is very important. Every time people make mistakes. Like whenever you find R after vowel sound, yes, like A, E, I, O, U. Generally, R will be silent. Like, generally people say market. It is not market, it's market. Market. R is silent. Market. Jerk. Jerk, not jerk. He gave me a jerk, right? अब जब बोलते हैं ना कि मुझे आयरन करना है, मुझे आयरन करना है कल के लिए, तो आयरन नहीं होता, आयरन. मार्केट, जर्क, आयरन. Shirk, कोई somebody who avoids the work, doesn't want to work. Shirk, he is shirking. Shirk नहीं करते, shirk. This is work. Homework, बोलते हैं ना कि homework क्या मिला है. This is not homework. This is homework. Homework, work. This is somebody says sure. Somebody say I don't know. Like it is show, sure or show. But R is silent in all the cases. Sure, right? Sure. Are you sure? You cannot say are you sure? Are you sure? That is wrong. Sure or sure, right? This is once again when we pronounce it when it is ending with et. तो बोलते हैं मार्केट जनरली, लेकिन ये एट नहीं होता है, ये इट होता है. लाइक market. He is going to the market. We cannot say he is going. कितना sound difference होगा. He is going to the market and he is going to the market. Market. Pocket. Sound होगा pocket जैसा, but it is pronounced as pocket. It. Pocket. Jacket. Right? Pocket jacket. Ending with et. It is it. Now ending with CIOUS is shus. I repeat. Shus. Like suspicious. People pronounce it suspicious. ये suspicious नहीं होता भैया. Suspicious, ferocious, conscious, precious. Maximum people pronounce precious. That is wrong. It's precious. Many people pronounce it. I cannot say maximum people. Precious. That's wrong. Precious. This is generally people say pronounce it politician. It is not politician. Ending with CIAN, SION or TION, it will be shun. Like politician, magician, musician, expression and pollution. Pollution नहीं होता है, pollution, right? Now D before J will be silent. Like we do not say adjective, that is wrong, it is adjective. adjust कर लो, ये नहीं कि adjust कर लो, adjust तो करना पड़ता है, adjust, adjective adjust, right? Adjoin, adjourn. Now be before T and be after M will be silent. ध्यान से, be before T and be after M will be silent. Like you will be surprised to know, doubt, doubt नहीं होता, doubt. Date, depth नहीं होता, date. Comb, comb, comb नहीं होता है. अब जैसे बोलना है कि आई एम कॉम्बिंग माई हेयर, तो कॉम्बिंग माई हेयर नहीं, कॉम्बिंग माई हेयर, कॉम्बिंग माई हेयर. इसे बोलते टूम, टूम, टॉम्ब नहीं बोलते हैं, बी साइलेंट. और उसमें टूम, टूम इज द राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन. क्लाइम, क्लाइंबर नहीं, ही इज climbing the mountain, climbing the mountain is wrong. Climb, climb. This one is very interesting. Generally people say plumber, generally people say plumber, but this is not plumber. As I told you, B after M is silent, so it will be plumber, plumber. R will also be silent. Why? Because this is before wall, so this is plumber. B will be silent because this is before M. R will be silent because this is before E, so plumber. Doubt, date, comb, tomb, climb, plumber. Very interesting. Now this one is also very interesting. Like P, K, even also. Generally P, K you remember. The word ending with P, verb. And when you change into past participle, I mean ED form, like stopped. Generally people say stopped, stopped. He stopped there. I have marked, checked, wrong. The is not the, it is t. When you add ed with the verbs ending with p, k, then the sound will be t, like stopped, stopped, t, stopped. Marked, you cannot say marked, wrong. Marked, see R silent because of all. Marked, marked. Checked, 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 name, checked, right? This way. Now L before K and M will be silent. That's also very interesting. The top, palm, arms, arms. This is also interesting. ये कैसे z sound हुआ? This I'll tell you here. Arms, almond, almond नहीं होता, almond या almond नहीं होता, almond. Why? Because L is before M, right? So L will be silent. Yes. So these words you haven't understood. Here there are some words where D is silent. Like we often pronounce Wednesday. Somebody pronounce it Wednesday, but the actual pronunciation of this word is Wednesday. Z sound. B silent. Wednesday. Wednesday. We many people say handkerchief. B silent. Handkerchief. Right. P silent here. Receipt. I have got the receipt. Where is the receipt? Where is the receipt? Where is the receipt? Right. This one everyone knows about it, but they pronounce incorrectly. Someone say buffet, someone say buffet. T is silent. It is buffet. Right. Then sachet, sachet, sachet. Right. Now this one is interesting. Cats and dogs. Both the places you find sir, ss, but here we pronounce sir. Cats, sir. Here we pronounce j. Cats, cats. What is the rule? Try to understand. Patak, you remember. PTK, PTK. PTK बाद s आएगा, तो that will be pronounced as sir. और जनरली उसके अलावे जिनके साथ आएगा, जैसे स, श, ज, ज, च, इनके साथ जब आएगा तो that will be pronounced as z. जैसे arms, पटक के अलावे है तो arms, ठीक है. Cats, T is there, so cats, cats, cups, tips, cakes, G आ रहा, तो dogs, dogs. Generally people pronounce it classes. It is classes, z, classes, clashes, clashes. Girls नहीं होता, girls, girls, z sound, girls. Wednesday, girls. होटल्स नहीं होता, होटल्स, होटल्स, BOOKS, के आ रहा, तो बुक्स, राइट, स्टिक, स्टिक्स, right, bottle, bottles. So this way I think these tips, the tips which I have given today will change your pronunciation entirely, and your speaking will really improve a lot, and it will be very impressive. Thank you so much.